Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Question Time, the series where I answer your questions in a video. Hello again, I'm Andy from Monoperty.com, where I blog online about my journey as a property investor and landlord, sharing what works for me and what doesn't to help you start or expand your property portfolio. Alex asks, how would you tax income on real estate? Are they classified as accounts receivables? So yes, you will need to pay tax on any rental income that you receive. Now, of course, the amount of tax that you pay will depend on your own circumstances. It will depend on what tax bracket you fall into from your employment or any other income that you receive, and you will need to declare your rental income each year. But you'll be able to deduct any running expenses. And the items that you're able to deduct and the rules will differ from country to country. But you can look at your government website or contact them over the phone and speak to the relevant department and they'll be able to guide you. Now, to give you an example, at the time of filming this video, I'm able to deduct my mortgage payments, my insurance. I can deduct the cost of any furniture that I put into the property, and also any repair costs or items that have to be replaced can be deducted as well. Now, as you'd expect, tax is a huge topic, and I'm looking for a tax specialist who deals with property investing to appear on this channel. So if you're a tax specialist, please get in touch. Anthony asks, would you say that you have more free time and freedom being a landlord and property investor than being an employee? I have a lot more free time, and that's mainly because I use a letting agent or a managing agent to look after my properties. I sign up to the full management service, so they market the property for me, they find me tenants, they vet the tenants, they collect the rent, and they carry out periodic inspections of the property for me to make sure everything's fine. If the tenants have any questions or problems, they will contact the agent instead of me, and they'll also oversee any repairs that may need doing. Although I do ask the agent to contact me if anything needs to be replaced or repaired, and then I'll make a decision as to whether I take that on or I let the letting agent deal with it. So because of this, yes, I do have a lot more free time, and I'm lucky enough to be at home when my children get home from school and my wife gets home from work. And the good news is anybody could do this if they work towards it. Now, for those people that don't use a letting or managing agent, it can turn into a full-time job. Now, some people enjoy that, which is great, because if you're doing something you enjoy, then it isn't really a job. But for me, I like to use an agent because I can then focus and concentrate on working towards the next project. Plus, it gives me time to update my blog and create videos. New Future Builder asks, have you had luck getting property via auctions? No, but I have tried to buy one property at an auction, but I got outbid. I viewed the property a couple of times, I set myself a budget, and on the day of the auction, I stopped at that budget, which I'm quite pleased with, because it's easy to get carried away in the moment. The property had a guide price in the catalogue of $110,000, and my ceiling price was $140,000. And when the bidding started, I raised my hand straight away and the auctioneer saw me, so I got the first bid, but it went from $110,000 to $140,000 in about 20 seconds. It sold for $160,000. My research and calculations could have been wrong. My calculations for the refurbishment works could have been wrong, but it's what I felt comfortable with, so I dropped out at $140,000. I will be making a video about buying property at auctions, and I'll share with you what I've learnt so far. Now, if you have a question that you like answered, then you can ask me by leaving a comment in any of my videos or contacting me through social media networks on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and through my blog at monoperty.com/ask. Definitely subscribe if it's your first time visiting this channel so you don't miss any of my future videos, which are all geared towards helping you start or improve your property business. Please like and share this video if you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome to question. Then it can look. If you have any questions that you'd like answered, you can do so by or by reaching